Hello all traders, today is Wednesday 13th of November 2024 and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 if we see low risk opportunities. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating between the previous day low and close during the Globex session, and by looking at 10-minute macro chart we see that the price started to go down on Nasdaq and S&P 500 and went up on Dow Jones. So our plan of action for today is to wait for the volatility to calm down and see if this downtrend has a good momentum and pass this support level. Then we will take sell short positions, and if it reaches the support level and buyers come back, we will take long position in a well-established uptrend. So stay tuned and we're going to update you with any trade that we're going to take today. So as you see, the price had a good deep pullback and the buyers came back. So I took long position with setup B, and I'm now taking sell short position for a quick scalp when the price retests the previous level or middle of the channel. So I just closed it because I saw the sellers were not strong and the buyers came back. So I'm taking long position again with setup C on Nasdaq. And when the price reached the upper area here, I will take sell short position when the sellers come back. So I took one sell short position and closed it with profit. Now the price is retesting the support level again and the buyers are coming back, so I'm taking long position on Nasdaq and S&P 500, waiting for the buyers to push the price higher and then managing this position aggressively. So the buyers are coming back, so adjusting the limit orders on the S&P 500. I just closed both of them because the buyers were not strong. So we're done for the day, and let's look at the stats of all these trades that were positive. And as you see from all these trades, we reached profit factor of 11, which is coming from 77% win rate, 83% from 6 long positions, and 66 from 3 sell short positions. The average win to loss ratio was 3.32. The largest winning trade was 395, and the largest losing trade was $79. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.